These plants of mine over here are killed, or at least that's what happens to them anytime we've had a freeze. When they grow, they remind me of romaine lettuce. I don't have any idea what the heck they are. The previous homeowner planted them. But when it starts to warm up, they always grow back. So, what we got here right now, this looks like cooked spinach. Thing's pretty much gone. That's what happens when it gets cold, it just wilts them. There's Skeeter's pool. No, I can't walk on it. The ice is pretty thick though. I mean, I can actually see depth in it because there's air bubbles and sleet and stuff frozen into it. I'd say it's probably about 3/4 of an inch thick. Cold, cold day from Pensacola.